Hey everyone, welcome to my new video about Scoopz. Today I would like to show you how to change your profile image in Scoopz. So let's tap on Scoopz, and first of all go to me at the bottom right. Now I'm on my profile tab, and here I can edit my profile. So tap on edit profile, and here at the top you can see your current profile picture. And now to change your picture, tap on it, edit photo, and here you can take a picture or choose from gallery. So let's choose from gallery, allow, and let's continue with photos, for example, or with gallery. Now select any photo, and yeah, success. Finally, the profile photo was changed successfully. So that's how you can change your Scoopz profile picture. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.